Hi guys, it's again Amy FULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So I am behind the camera, you guys can't see me. So today I'm here to do something that I have been seeing going on YouTube for a very long time now. I have been thinking, should I do it, should I not do it? I finally decided to do it. So that's what I'm about to do today. So if you guys hear noise in the background, I have my dishwasher on. I'm in the kitchen, the dishwasher is on, that's what's making noise, so please excuse that noise. But if you guys have been on YouTube, if you're a natural hair person, you guys have seen the natural hair growth thing, which is now the rice water hair growth. So I have been seeing this going around YouTube, and I've been thinking, should I do it, should I not do it, should I do it? Just the same like the overnight hair growth treatment that I did, I think a year ago. I really like the result. I like the way my hair feels. My hair feels really soft, really nice, and I really love it. So when I saw this rice water challenge, I decided to come and give it a try. So here I have my rice. I have like 2 cups of rice, and I have this container that I'm going to use, and I have a spray bottle. But first, what you're going to do, you're going to wash the rice and put the rice into the container, leave it to stay for a couple of hours, at least a day, and then drain the water into a spray bottle container. You can use that water to spray your hair. You can use it to do a deep conditioner treatment. You can spray into your hair and then leave it for maybe 2-3 hours and then rinse it out, or you can spray just a little by little. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this rice water that is going to help your hair grow overnight or very fast, as they say. They said that the Chinese, the Asian people have been using this treatment for a very long time, and it works amazing on their hair. So there's nothing wrong, give it a try. Rice is natural, the ingredient is natural. Rice and water is a natural ingredient, but one thing I have to say, don't overdo it. Don't do this like every day. It's going to really damage your hair. Don't do it every day. Once every other day, or once every 2-3 days is good. So I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare the rice. So here I have my rice, and here I have my container, and this container I just get it from my own local beauty store. I have many of these containers. Normally when I make my homemade jam, because sometimes I like to make my homemade jam, I have different size of this container. I use this container to make my jam, but this one was just standing there as reserve. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to use this. It's okay. I'm not going to make a lot of rice water because it's very simple to make, so there's no need for you to make a whole lot that's going to waste. Because you know, when you have rice water that stays for a very long time, it kind of stink, I guess. Also, what you can do when you make the rice water, if you want to put other things, you can. So also what you can do, if you make the rice water, you can add oil of any choice. You can add like peppermint oil, you can add your Jamaican black castor oil. You guys know I love Jamaican black castor oil. I mix it with all of my ingredients. I'm not too sure if I'm going to mix this. I'm going to put a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil in the water, but first I want to just try the rice water on its own and just see how it works. So yeah, let's give it a try. First, what I'm about to do is I'm going to wash my rice. I'm going to wash it. This is the rice I have. I bought this on my own local beauty store. So I'm going to wash the rice. That's what we're going to do. Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of water, and then I'm just going to wash it with my hands like this. Just gonna wash the rice to get the first dirty stuff out the way. You know, rice is full of carbohydrates. So you guys see, when you wash the rice, you see the water has already changed color. But I just like to wash rice. Even when I'm cooking rice, I always like to wash it. I always like to get the first dirty water out. So you're just going to drain that. And then you're just going to rinse it once more again. This one you're just going to rinse. You're not going to, just make sure you rinse it very good and properly. Okay, so now that you've rinsed everything, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a spoon. Make sure that your container is clean, okay? I've washed this container. I've washed it also with hot water just to make sure I clean it very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the rice and I'm just going to put it into the, I know the rice is a little bit too much, but it's okay. Okay, this is too much rice. This is too much rice. And I'm going to take some water. I think 1 cup will be enough. I just take a whole bunch of rice. 1 cup will be enough. I take way too much of rice, but it's okay. You're gonna take a little bit water more. We're gonna pour a little bit more of water. Yeah, just to make sure everywhere. Yes, there's water everywhere. And then that, you're gonna close it. Oops, almost messed my rice up. And after you're done with that, you're just going to put the rice to sit down for a couple of hours. If you can leave it for a day, for a whole day, you guys can see the water is not too much, but it's okay because I don't want a whole lot of rice water standing in the house. The little you make, as long as you can, a little one you can pass in the spray bottle, and if you need it again, you can actually make it again. So there's no need to make a whole bunch of rice water and then just stand it out and then just smell in the house. So this is how you prepare your rice water. I hope you guys like this video, and when this rice water has set, and I'll be back to show you guys how I apply it on my hair. But for now, this is how I apply the rice water. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you guys want me to come and show you guys how I apply this on my hair, give this video a thumbs up. If you have used this rice water and it worked for your own hair, please let me know what is your experience in the description box, because it's always good to know. If you guys have any tips for me, leave a comment below so that I don't do something that's going to damage my hair. Leave a comment below in the description box. And this is Sugar Amy. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. For all my old subscribers who have stayed with me, thank you guys so much for your love and support. This is Sugar Amy Fullest. Peace out. Bye.